Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put a cord onto a light that we'll be plugging in. We'll be using wire nuts and stranded wire. This is the cord we'll be using. We have a bare ground wire, a white, and a black. And all these wires are from the factory, mounted to the transformer you see right here. So we'll take our box here. We'll put our connector on it like this. The same as a permanently wired in light. Okay, so we're going to have to strip this a little longer, so I'm going to just take my cutters here. I'm just going to score around the jacket. You don't want to cut into the wires. You got to just score the outside. And we'll take off the debris, and I'll just look, make sure I didn't cut any of the wires. And no, I didn't. Okay, so we can put our wires into the connector, and like in regular house wiring, I bring the jacket down to the bottom just so it comes in a little bit. Okay, so we take our wires here. Okay, we have two sizes of wire nuts here, a yellow and an orange. And this 18 gauge wire here, and this is like a 20 gauge. So we're going to use the orange on this one because it's a very small wire. And we'll twist our strands together, and they finish at the top evenly. And we will put our orange wire nut on. And that is the ground. Okay, now we have a white wire, and we have a black wire. Okay, we'll get they're stripped the same length, so I'll cross them like that there, and then I'll twist them so they end evenly at the top. See how they end evenly at the top there? And see how the insulation's even at the bottom? And we will do the same with the white wire here. take our 2 white wires, get the insulation even at the bottom. I get them crossed like that, and then I twist them so that they stay even and end even at the top. See how the insulation's even at the bottom and the 2 wires end even at the top? I'll put the yellow wire nut on. And this is what the light will, this goes back in here with this screwed onto the box, and we'll do that after the light is up. So there are the lights I plugged in. So now this light can point to their prized possessions, like their picture from their trip to Germany, snowshoes, which will be time for here pretty soon, and the collection over here on this piece. Thanks for watching.
Beautiful, Dave.
Alrighty.